Friends, now we are discussing about uh, what is Q method or R squared method. First, what is meant by R squared method? The R squared method is the statistically method that determine the goodness of fit. It measures the strength of the relationship between depends upon the independent variable on the scale of 0 to 100%. The value of R squared determines the less difference between predicted values and the actual values, hence the represent of good model. It is also called as the coefficient of determinant or coefficient of the multiple determinant of the multi-regression. It can be calculated, this is the formula for R squared method. R squared is equal to explained variation by total variation. Then accumulation of the linear regression. Below some important accumulation of the linear regression, the sum of the formal checks while building a linear regression model, which ensure that to get best possible result from the given data set. There are divided into the 5 types of accumulation linear regression. Linear relationship between future and a target, linear relationship assumptions, and the linear relationship between dependent variable and independent variable. Small or no multi-collinearity between the features. Multi-collinearity means high correlations between the independent variable. Due to multi-collinearity, it may difficult to find the true relationship between the predictors and the target variable, or we can say it is difficult to determine which predict value affecting the target variable and which is not. So the model assumes either title or no multi-collinearity between the feature or independent variable. Then homogeneity assumptions. Homogeneity is the situation when with the error terms in same for all value independent variable, which is the homogeneity. It should be the no clear pattern distribution of the scatter point. Normal distribution of the error term. Linear regression assumes that the error term should be follow the normal distribution pattern. If the error term is not normally distributed, then the coincidence interval will be the either too wide or too narrow, which is the cause difficulty to find the coefficient. It can be checked used to Q minus Q plot. If the plot shows the straight line without any deviation, which means the error is normally distributed. No autocorrelation. The linear regression model assumes the no correlation is the term. If there will be the any correlation is the error, when it will be the reduce the accuracy of the model. It is used to the dependency between the reducible error. Then we are going to discuss about simple linear regression in machine learning. Simple linear regression is the type of regression algorithm which the model relationship between the dependent variable and the single independent variable. The relationship between the simple linear regression and sloped slide, hence it is called the simple linear regression. The key point of the simple regression is the dependent variable must contain a continuous or real value. However, the dependent variable can measure to continuous or category value. The simple linear regression algorithm has mainly two objectives. The model relationship between two variables, such a relationship between the income and the expenditure, experience and salary, etc. Forecasting and new observation, such as weather forecasting according to temperature, revenue for company according to investigation in year, etc. The simple linear regression model graph model y is equal to a0 plus a1 x is equal to e. Here a0 is the intercept of the regression line. A1 is equal to is the slope of regression line, which tells whether the line increasing or decreasing. E is equal to the term error. The implement of the simple linear regression using Python. Here I am taking the data set of the two variables. Salary is the dependent variable and experience is the independent variable. To get the we are going to solve this program. First, we want to find out if there is any correlation between the two variables. we will find the best fit line or the data set. How to dependent variable is changing by the changing independent variable. First, data pre-processing. The first step of the creating the simple linear regression model is the data pre-processing. We have already done in the early tutorial which is the changing we have steps. Okay, first today friends, I am stopping here. Tomorrow we will discuss about first step of data pre-processing.